All right, so this is going to be a demo for I'm sorry, 3-view drawing number 4, the end anchor. Okay, so yeah, they do start having names, so you don't have to put write down 3-view drawing number. You can put the actual title of it down here. Number still goes down here. So I centered it. Centering's on here. So 3 inches wide. Okay, the depth is 1.75. All right, 1 inch in between our views. Okay. This one says include the isometric. Do not include. I put a new one on there for you guys. I think. Do not include the isometric. Okay, we're not doing isometrics on these. All right. So then you add those up. 5.75. Subtract that from 10.5. 4.75. Divide that by 2. 2.275. That ends up being 2 3/8. Drawing number 1, like the very first drawing you ever did in here for me, that conversion chart. Get that. We're going to be on the computer soon. Get that out so you can start doing this. You can have that conversion chart handy for you. Okay, so I did that. 2 3/8 on either side over here. Then to center it this way, I added the height, which is only 1. Space in between views, which is only 1. See, it tells me up on here, space in between views, 1 inch. And then our depth, which is 1.75 again. Add all that up to 3.75. 7.5, subtract that. 3.75 divided by 2, 1 and 7/8 on the top and bottom. Okay, so I have my centering there. All right, so remember, front view is going to be from this direction. That's our front view there. Okay, looking at it from here, so we're going to see this, 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 and this surface. So I know it's going to be 3 inches over. Okay, I know it's going to be 1 inch tall. And I know because this whole thing is a rectangle, even though that chunk's taken out, there's still a surface and edge back there, so it's going to be basically a 3x1 rectangle. Remember, I start with the front view first because it usually has the most detail involved, so then I can transfer or project those lines and over. So now I've got this other one sticking out, but remember, we don't see the depth here. All we see is this surface. We're going to see that surface there. So 1 inch over and a 1/2 inch up, and that thing looks like it's 1 inch wide because we have 3 for a total. Then we have subtract 1, you're left with 1. So we have 1 inch over, 1 inch wide, 1/2 inch up. I'm going to need my erasing shield there on that one. Okay. However, those lines are going to keep on going up. You can see I stopped right there because I was just drawing this. But those lines keep going up to have this chunk out too. So we're actually going to see all that like that. It's all up like that. So there's your front view. Okay. 1 inch over. This is 1 inch in between our views. 1 3/4 for my width of this, because this is the right side view now, remember. Looking at it from here, it's our right side view, right side. So we're going to see this. See that sticking out. So we have 1 3/4. Did that one lightly because I'm going to get the height of this object over here. Back. Bottom I can darken in. Okay. this piece goes up a ½ inch. I could measure, but I can just take it from the front view here and transfer it over like that. That one goes like this. It extends back 1 inch into there. That I'll measure. Okay, because that should be left at 3/4. It is. We're at 3/4. So I can draw this. You can't see that. I can draw this line down now. Okay. Now we have a little bit of an interesting thing here. We've got this back in here that's blocked by the solid part of this object, but we have to show these hidden lines in here. So it goes back, this part that sticks out here extends into our block a ½ inch. So still got to do a little bit of measuring right here to say that this is a hidden line that extends into there. And then we need, sorry, you guys can see this. We need that line to go up too. So where that one ended. So hidden. All right. Now our top view, again, 1 inch in between the views. That lightly. That one lightly. And it's 1 3/4 wide, so somewhere inside this box where my object's going to be. We're going to go erase these extension lines here. Erase this one too. Looks nice. All right. So top view, I'm going to see all this U or horseshoe looking thing and then the part sticking out here. So, well, I know the back is going to be, I know the side, the back right here is going to be a solid line. So I know that one's going. I know these extend down 3/4 of an inch, these two sides right here. Okay, so remember, we're going down on top now. So I'm going to see all this and this thing. So 3/4 is going to have to measure. I'm only going to measure it once though. So I'm just transferring that measurement right across. Okay. Now it's going to go in an inch on each side. I don't have to measure that because I have those over here. Lightly, very lightly going to put these so that I know to stop where this line needs to stop. So I'm going to draw that one dark. Draw that one dark too. Now I know this thing sticks all the way out, kind of like a tongue sticking out there. I know this one sticks all the way down, so right now I can do that front piece or line, and then now I have to like kind of complete this U over here. So this back part right here goes back a ½ inch. So if I measure this one time, inch. Okay. Over right there. Finish this one off. Then erase all my extension lines there. Okay, that's it. No isometric, no dimensions on this one. Okay, nice and easy. 3-view drawing for the end anchor. All right.